Ooh. And man, that's tough trying to do detail work, you know what I mean? Because one side's more aggressive than the other. Let that start hydrating my face. Getting into all those hairs on my face. Ooh. Okay. All right, that was a decent shave. Wasn't my best. Yeah, a little stinging there. But I have to say the last few shaves I've cut up my mouth. I've cut the hell out of it, so I'm not going to blame it on that shave. Little stinging here too though. Down here. And down here too. Wow, pretty much everywhere. Whew. Maybe I forgot how to shave. Yeah, burning down here. Okay. Go on my back of my neck here, because I did shave back here. Burning back there too. Ouch. Okay. Let that sit on there for a minute, and I'm going to be putting on, I'm going to be putting on Nivea today. Okay, I just think I'm not having really good luck with Merkur razors right now. That Futur has torn up my face. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm going to probably go back to the Rockwell 6C for a couple of weeks, because my face is beat up. I mean, from that Merkur razor. How does this razor rate? I liked it when I first started shaving with it, so yeah, it is more aggressive. I did have, you know, some stinging all over my face, so is it as good as the Rockwell 6C? No, it's not. And it's basically the same price as well. These are going for $50, and so is the Rockwell 6C. Definitely would take a Rockwell 6C over this thing, for sure. So all in all, that was a decent shave. Not my best. Little stinging down here. I've already see some redness coming out. But again, my face has been torn up from that Futur, the Merkur. Don't like it. That adjustable razor is way too aggressive for me. Subscribers are like, you know, take it down to A1. It still doesn't work. I can't get anything off my face, but you can see I don't have perfect skin, but my skin doesn't look as smooth as it used to. And I'm totally giving that credit to that Merkur Futur. It's really messed up my face. So back to the Rockwell 6C we go. I'm growing with this channel very fast, and it's all because of you guys. I never would have thought I could hit this many subscribers in 9 months. It's crazy. If you're learning how to shave, I'm going to tell you, set your iPhone up somehow, prop it up somewhere, and shoot video of yourself shaving. That way you can go back and review it and actually see what the hell you're doing. That's why I like zooming up into my shots, so you know, you guys can see exactly what that razor's doing on my face, and it's what it's going to do on your face as well.